In this Rent a Cyberfriend review, I'm going to be showing you if you can make money by chatting with people on this virtual friend website. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Rent a Cyberfriend is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. But before we dive in, if you are interested in discovering my top strategy to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from the comfort of your home, click the link below and I'll send you my strategy straight away. Now, having reviewed numerous online money-making opportunities, I have come across various platforms. Some are excellent while others fall short. Rent a Cyberfriend sounds interesting. Essentially, you become someone's virtual friend, engaging in text or video conversations with people worldwide who pay you per minute of your time. It's a unique concept, emphasizing genuine connections rather than a dating platform. If any interactions lead to anything inappropriate, you can easily report them. The process starts by signing up as a cyber friend on this website. Making an awesome profile is very crucial. A standout picture, an engaging profile description, and creative background choices are vital because the platform hosts many cyber friends and visibility matters. Once your profile is set, you can decide how much to charge per minute for your conversation. While the range can vary, a common average is around 1 cent to $3.50 per minute. Charging too much may not attract potential friends. However, the challenge arises in attracting clients. With a multitude of cyber friends on the platform, standing out becomes crucial. Self-promotion is encouraged, but if you lack significant social media following, it might not be effective. Sharing your cyber friend link on social media could be less impactful if your followers are primarily friends who can already chat with you for free. So they pay through direct bank transfer, PayPal or Stripe with a minimum threshold of $50 and a 20% fee on your earnings. It might take a while to accumulate $50 and the fee is relatively high, but that's the cost of using the platform. So we can say that Rent a Cyberfriend is a straightforward way to earn income if you can attract clients. However, the challenge lies in getting noticed in the huge sea of cyber friends. It's not guaranteed source of income and success may vary depending on factors like your profile appeal and pricing strategy. It could be a fun side hustle to earn some virtual income. But if you're seeking substantial full-time income online, there are more effective ways. If you are interested in exploring alternative methods for generating significant online income, click the link below and I'll share my favorite strategy to achieve at least $5,000 to $10,000 per month from the comfort of your home. I hope you found this review helpful and I look forward to sharing more insights with you in future reviews. Until then, bye.